Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do one hairstyle 3 different ways, well 4 different ways technically. And yeah, it's just like a curly hairstyle for natural hair girls, medium hair, short hair, long hair, whatever. But yeah, it's just a hairstyle for people with hair length like mine or close to mine or anything. Like literally you can just braid it. Okay, that's too much for intro, but don't forget to like this video. If you like this video, keep watching, comment down below your favorite part, and make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I will see you guys in the next video.
So for this hairstyle, I will be starting off with freshly washed hair. Not only did I wash my hair, but I also did deep condition it and left the deep conditioner in there to sit. I'm going to start off by parting my hair into different sections. So in the back section of the hair, I would like 3-strand twists. So I'm just separating the front of the hair from the back of the hair here. Now we're going to get into the 3-strand twists. I'll be using this Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activating Cream, my olive oil Eco Styler leave-in gel, extra virgin olive oil, my spray bottle for the drier sections of my hair, a dimming brush, hair clips, scrunchies, and this pink ragtail comb. I'm going to be using that olive oil to moisturize my hair, focusing on the scalp and the ends. I have a brief length check. My hair is about armpit length now. I guess it was before, but it's getting like a little longer than armpit length. And look at me, shook at my own self. Next, I'm going to be lathering my hair with this Cantu Curl Activating Cream. Taking my Eco Styling Gel, and I'm going to put that in my hair as well. Now for the dimming brush, I'm going to be brushing out my hair. So on my channel, I already have a 3-strand twist out tutorial. So if you're interested in how I achieve these 3-strand twists, definitely go check that out. Otherwise, I'm going to be speeding through this part. So the perfect amount of 3-strand twists for my back section was 6, 3 on both sides of the hair. So for the front section of the hair, I decided that I wanted to do 3 flat twists. So now I'm going to be parting the hair into 3 sections for those twists. So I ended up prepping the hair the same way I prepped the hair for the twists. Starting off with the olive oil to moisturize, the Cantu, the Eco, and then the dimming brush. At first, guys, I decided to do braids. Then I doubled back and did twists. So I wish I would have went with my first mind because the braids did look better. But I just wanted the twist for like the big, or I guess you can say like the chunky look. After the last twist, I went ahead and put my bonnet on and went to sleep. This hairstyle could have definitely been improved if I ended up doing 4 flat twists, but the 3, look, the man in the middle just like sticks out and it looks like weird. So the big reveal, did I mess my hair up in my sleep? I did not. So since this hairstyle was supposed to be like a half up, half down, so it had like the 3 twists in the front, then the twists go into a ponytail and the rest of the hair is down. I section off the hair I'm going to be putting up, and I'm just going to be working on the twists in the back and taking them down. I did end up using olive oil to take them down as well. Like I previously stated, if you guys want to see like my 3-strand twist out video, I will put the card above the screen so you guys can click on it. Otherwise, I'm going to be speeding through this part. So now I'm going to be taking down like the top section that leads into the ponytail, and I'm going to be using a hairpin to secure that part. So now I'm just putting up all the hair that I have designated for the front section. And I have decided to make like a little bun in front. And I did try to lay my edges last night, but they don't look how they looked when I did them. So I'm going to be like redoing that. In this pick, I'm going to begin to fluff out the roots of my hair so I can make the hair more voluminous. So the bun did not look up to par, so I'm just going to be redoing that really quickly. It's the end of this look, but I'm going to be showing you guys how I rock this style in 3 or 4 different ways. For the top of my hair, I just ended up changing it to 4 braids because I thought it would be more equal and it would look better on my head. I also put it in a bun, but yeah, this is another way to rock this hairstyle.
Alright, what's today? Today is Friday. I did this hairstyle on Sunday. I put the braids in probably Tuesday, I want to say. Tuesday or Wednesday, whatever. One of those. But today I'm rocking a new way. Like, this is like a 3rd way. I'm pretty sure it's like multiple ways you can rock this style. But so the braids are still in, and I just took like hairpins so I can like secure the hair onto the rest of the hair and wear it down. But yeah, it looks really like voluminous. It looks really like voluminous. It looks really pretty. But this is just yet another way to wear this hairstyle. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope to see you guys in my new uploads. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!